Hello friends, at Adequate Infosoft, our certified PCB engineers design and develop the custom embedded solutions. We develop the solutions from concept to production. Every project begins with circuit semantics, component selection, PCB layout, signal routing, design validation, and a very detailed 3D visualization before moving into manufacturing and assembly. Now I'm going to show you some of our custom made PCB designs that, that we have developed for various industries. The first one is the Smart Lock PCB Touchpad. For example, this here I am showing you here. It's a PCB that we have designed for smart locks and it has a custom touchpad PCB. This smart PCB is designed for touch-based access control application. The board integrates capacitive touch sensing, Bluetooth low energy communication, secure authentication, and power efficient operations. It also enables seamless keyless entry while maintaining the high security and low power consumption. The next PCB that we have developed is again a smart lock PCB. This is the smart lock PCB, but the difference is this custom smart lock PCB features a keypad based access system. Like I am showing you here, we on this PCB we have a mounted plastic keypads for residential and commercial environment. This design combines embedded firmware, encrypted communication, and intelligent access management. The solution provides a reliable operation, use authentication, and flexible access control functionality. Next, nowadays the keypad or touchpad is not enough. So we have also made another PCB that is a voice controlled version. It's a plug-in device that we can stack over a standard keypad or a touch-based PCB. This advanced smart lock PCB incorporates voice detection and command processing capabilities. The board supports secure access through voice-triggered interactions while integrating wireless connectivity for remote management. It offers an enhanced user experience by combining convenience with modern smart lock technology. Okay, moving to the next, we build this LoRa and Zigbee communication module. This is again a plug-in device that can be attached to a lock or to a third-party house operating systems. So basically, this custom communication module extends the operating range of smart locks deployed for beyond traditional wireless limits. By combining LoRa and Zigbee technologies, the solution enables long-distance communications, mesh networking, and reliable device connectivity across large facilities and distributed environment. It's ideal for industrial, commercial, and smart building applications. Now I am showing you a smart lock gateway with cellular Wi-Fi connectivity. This smart lock gateway with cellular and Wi-Fi connectivity. Like this, I am showing you here. It has an inbuilt antenna, and this contains a cellular SIM phone for the cell data. This is a gateway. This gateway serves as a communication bridge between the smart lock and the cloud platforms. The board integrates Wi-Fi and cellular connectivity, enabling remote monitoring, device management, firmware updates, and real-time access control from anywhere. It provides secure and scalable connectivity for modern smart locks. Next in our list is we call it all-in-one lock motherboard with NanoPi. I'm showing you a NanoPi here. Why I'm calling it all-in-one? Because it contains so many protocols like Zigbee, like LoRa, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. So almost all kind of locks can be controlled via this gateway. And so this gateway is a powerful motherboard that designed as a centralized smart lock platform, smart lock control platform basically, built around NanoPi processing capabilities. It supports integration with QT-Lock, TUA and other smart lock ecosystems while providing edge processing, device management and multi-protocol communications. So why we say multi-protocol? Like I said, it supports the QT-Lock, TUA, Matter or I2C communication over large range communication protocols. The platform enables rapid deployment of customized smart access solutions. Next, in our list we have this is our product as well as our custom solution. It's a very unique solution that we have designed for refrigerated transport monitoring systems. We call it transport monitoring PCB. This embedded control board was designed for refrigerated transport vehicle and cold chain logistics systems. The PCB continuously monitor environment parameters such as temperature, operating conditions while transmitting real-time data to the mobile application and cloud dashboard. It also sends the real-time GPS location tied with the other environmental variables. So every time the user of this board or the transport company are aware of the GPS location plus their environmental variables, so that all the perishable goods would be delivered on time and intact there. This helps ensure the safe transportation of perishable goods including food, vegetables, pharmaceuticals and other temperature sensitive products. That's the purpose of it. Next, okay, we made the solution for HVAC gateways. This is an HVAC gateway for room control systems. This intelligent HVAC gateway is designed for large-scale room automation and environmental management, not just for room or in the commercial purposes. It can also be used in industries. The system supports Wi-Fi, cellular connectivity and thread mesh networking, allowing sentinels monitoring and control of up to 200 HVAC units simultaneously. This helps optimize energy consumption, improve occupant comfort and simplify facility management. Now I'm showing you an HVAC node. Basically this node and this gateway communicates with each other. So basically this gateway can communicate with 200 plus this type of node. This node is attached to the HVAC unit to measure and control the HVAC units, plus also provides the environmental information. Industrial grade data logger PCB. This industrial grade data logger was developed automotive manufacturing sector. The solution collects and records critical processing data during electro-positioning coating operations, helping manufacturers monitor and control paint thickness with greater precision. The PCB provides reliable data acquisition, process visibility and improved production quality. Okay, next we have this house automation solution. With the help of this controller, we can able to control any household equipments. For example, heat control systems, water pumps, gated security systems, burglar protection, and many more. It has the capability to control and monitor all the modern household equipments and or energy saving systems. Okay. At Adequate Infosoft, from smart lock, industrial automation to HVAC controls, cold chain monitoring and automotive manufacturing systems, Adequate Infosoft delivers complete embedded product development services. Our expertise cover PCB design, firmware development, prototyping, testing, manufacturing support and production-ready solution that transform innovative idea into reliable commercial products.